So good evening, everyone.
Hello, hi. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another webinar session at FSM, where we help investors to invest globally and profitably. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone, all the participants who have registered and joined tonight's webinar. My name is Bhushan. I'm from the Client Investment Specialist team, and I'll be the host for this evening. Today, we are very glad to introduce a brand new product that we have just launched on the FSMOne platform, the USD Auto-Sweep Cash Account. And joining me today to explore on this product is Ms. Alicia Tan, the product manager at FSMOne.
Yeah.
Hi, Ms.
Hi, Vishan. So today I'll be talking mostly on what this product can do and what's the benefit of this product. And also we do welcome a lot of, if you have any questions on the floor, we do welcome you to type in your Q&A section. So we will be very glad to answer your questions.
Right. So during the webinar, feel free to drop your questions in the Q&A tab. And at the end of the session, we'll actually address all of your questions. Right. So let's get started. So Alicia, tell me more about this product. What is this USD Auto-Sweep account is about?
Okay, so this USD Auto-Sweep is actually a cash solution in our platform. So why we do it as a cash solution is because we provide a very flexible benefits for our clients.
Okay.
So the product itself, USD Auto-Sweep, the underlying of it is actually a portfolio.
Okay.
Yes, the portfolio, they consist of 90% in a fund, in a USD fund, that mostly investing in the US Treasury, the short-term duration bonds, and also the money market instruments. And 9% is investing into the USD cash account.
Okay, so let me understand that, right? Also, now you see that it's actually a cash solution. So currently we do have a multi-currency account, USD cash accounts, right?
Correct.
So that gives around like, currently it's 1.25% per annum?
Correct.
Right? So how is that cash solution different from the new product of Auto-Sweep?
Okay, so of course, as you can see from the screen, is 4.489%. Yes, so this USD Auto-Sweep give potentially higher yield than our USD cash account. Yes, so that's why, because as mentioned just now, this USD cash account is actually a portfolio.
Okay.
But then because we make this product flexible enough to be like a cash solution. So this is the benefit of it, that we will be focusing on the product. Yes.
Okay. So if I, again, you said that this is actually, currently there's this cash solution 1.25 and this is the Auto-Sweep that's giving, what's the rate? 4.489% per annum. Okay. So, and because the underlying assets are different and the way that it's managed is different.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the yield, right? Like besides this 4.49, like are there any charges on top of this? And do clients like need to pay anything additional for that?
Okay, so the rate that you see right now, the 4.489, is actually the net yield that clients getting, which we already deducted all the management fee out from the product. Yes. So what we're charging for this product is only the management fee, which is chargeable on a quarterly basis at 0.05%. Yes.
So the management fee is 0.05%
Yes, per quarter.
per quarter. So it's
Yes.
charged every quarter. So
Yes.
do I need to pay additional of that 0.05?
No, as I mentioned just now, the rate is already included, the management fee. Yeah, it's
Okay.
already net. Yes.
Okay. So also then in this sense, right, it is actually not a deposit, but it has an underlying product, underlying fund.
Yes.
And also it's managed as a cash management fund. Similar
Yeah,
to that?
okay. So it's actually like if you are an active user in our FSM platform, so you can also know that we do have a parking facility,
Yes.
right?
Our RHB cash management.
Yes, our RHB cash management
Yes.
fund, which you can earn also a potentially higher yield than the MYR cash account.
Yeah.
While also parking at our platform while waiting for your next investment, right? So the concept of this USD Auto-Sweep is actually very similar to this cash management fund.
Okay.
It's just that it's in a different currency. So our RHB cash management fund is in USD, and our USD Auto-Sweep is in, our cash
In ringgit.
management fund is in ringgit. Yeah, and our USD
Yes.
Auto-Sweep is in USD.
In USD. Okay.
Yes.
So let's say I want to get started, right? Like, can you show us like how we can do this?
Yeah, definitely. So maybe just show you how.
Okay, audiences, if you
underlying.
are actually watching now and
So, yes,
Okay.
I will be showing you the underlying. Yeah, so what we invest for this product, what we invest into is into a fund, 90%, which is the IFAS USD Enhanced Liquidity Fund, right? And also 10% into our USD cash account. So this is what the underlying is all about.
Okay.
And then under the USD Enhanced Liquidity Fund is actually a fund that consists of short-term duration bonds like treasury bills. Yeah, and also some FD deposits in USD.
Okay, so that
Yes.
means, right, like the yield that I'm seeing now, is it fixed? Like, is this the yield that I'm going to get throughout the year, coming down the months?
Okay, so the yield is actually indicative, which we will be
Indicative, okay.
we will be updating the yield on a weekly basis on every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday, so
Yes.
the yield actually changes.
The yield actually changes every week.
Okay.
Yes.
So in that sense, that like, what about my holdings? If let's say like I put my money into this cash USD auto sweep, so how does my P&L profit and loss reflects then? If the yield is only like weekly, market changes daily, right?
Okay, yes. So how we earn yields is actually pretty much similar to our RHB cash management fund.
Okay.
Yeah. So it earns like on a daily basis based on the NAV changes. So basically your USD cash account available balance will be included the profits that you earn on a daily basis. Yes.
Right. Okay. So yeah. So maybe you can actually show us like how you can do this. Like how do we actually go about, and if I want to interested to invest in on that.
Yep. So one of the benefit of this USD Auto-Sweep is actually our low barrier of entry.
Okay.
Yeah, just to talk about some of the benefits of this product.
Okay.
So one thing, the very prominent one is the one that we can provide a potentially higher yield than our USD cash account.
Okay. Yeah. Which is 1.25.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
now.
secondly is the low barrier of entry.
Low barrier entry means like how? Like how
Yeah.
low is low?
So how low is low is that this product is you only need a minimum of $10.
$10.
$10 USD.
$10 USD dollars. Okay.
Yeah, to invest in this product.
So I can get started with $10.
Yes,
so
only $10.
Only with dollars can I use ringgit if I don't have
Yes,
dollars?
definitely. We provide you a flexibility to top up into this product with just as low as 100 ringgit.
So I have
Yes.
two options, which is either if I have USD,
Yes.
I can start with minimum of USD $10,
Yes.
or I can actually top up the account with ringgit.
Yes.
Right.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
So and again, how much was the minimum ringgit?
The minimum ringgit is 100 ringgit.
It's 100 ringgit. Okay.
Yes.
So USD $10 or with ringgit Malaysia of 100 that I can get started
Yes.
to enjoy these deals.
Yes.
Right.
Correct. And there's no lock-in period. Clients can just top up and withdraw anytime they want. Yeah,
okay.
There's no lock-in period. And then also we do provide a very, one more thing is the flexible withdrawal.
Flexible withdrawal.
Yes.
How so?
So if let's say you invest in this product, okay, the available balance, if you top up into this product, the available balance is reflected instantly.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no lag time if you top up. Yeah, and then if for withdrawal, we also support same day withdrawal.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that means it's pretty much very liquid. So
Yes,
I don't have to
very
like wait for like usually like other cash management fund, especially like the RHP, there is a lag time of T+1, T+2 or 3.
Yeah.
So there will be a lag time for me to actually when I top up or also when I would do my redemptions.
Yes.
So this is like
Yeah, so for the top up, it's instant. Yeah, so let's go through on the top up flow.
Okay.
Let us show you
Right.
how it works.
So,
yeah?
ladies and gentlemen, if you have your FSMOne mobile app, your account, or you're on your laptop or your desktop, you can actually follow us along, where Alicia will actually demonstrate where how you can top up into the cash USD Auto-Sweep account.
Yeah.
Right.
As you can see on my screen now, I'm
just
showing
follow
demoing on the mobile app. So you just need to log into our account. Yeah, go to the trade page. Okay. So just under the cash solution, as you can see here, just click on top up. Yeah, top up. You can select straight away. Yeah, as you can see here, we have different kind of multi-currency cash account, which support up to 8 currencies, including MYR. Yeah, then we also do have a new product, which is the USD Auto-Sweep here. So you just need to select top up into the USD Auto-Sweep. Then you can see, you can choose to either use your USD cash account to top up or your MYR cash account to top up. So let's show you on how we use the MYR cash account to top up. Yeah, so as you can see here, the minimum top up is 100. So I'm topping up 100. Then you can see here under here, there is an indicative rate that is showing on the conversion to buy into this auto-sweep from MYR. Yeah, so this rate is actually quite competitive in the market, which we are showing the spot rate. Yeah.
And this is live?
Yes, it's a live spot rates that changes every second. Yeah, so this is the indicative rates that we are showing and the rate that is indicatively getting in USD amount.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yep.
So that means that in this sense, right, I can actually like have the option to check the rates if I'm comfortable and this is competitive enough for me.
Yes,
and
correct.
Before I actually top up, I have a visibility of what's the rate like.
Yes.
To make decision whether to proceed or not.
Yes, you have the indicative rate. Directly. Before you top up. So after that, you just need to click proceed. Yeah. Then go through the 2FA.
Done. Okay.
Done. Yeah. Okay. That's the amount that you get, 20.79 USD from the 100 ringgit.
Yep. So that's instantly converted and then now it's in the transaction is done. So how do I actually view it after this then? Okay, so after done, right? How do I know it's instant? As you can see here, under the cash solution. Just a moment. How do I go back again? Okay, just now you have a button of view my cash solution, right? So if you are out from that page, you can just go to your holdings. Yeah, holdings. Okay. Okay, scroll down to cash solution. All the way to cash. Okay, see that. So this is your holdings. As you can see just now, the USD Auto-Sweep is now being topped up. Okay. Yeah, of $20.79. Yeah, so as you can see here, the top up is instantly reflected. Okay. Yes, with no lag time. Okay, pretty cool. So that's one way I can actually, so this is with the ringgit, right? So with ringgit, so the steps will be actually first to top up my cash account with ringgit from my bank account. Correct. And then convert it to USD and then fund immediately into the auto-sweep account. Yes. And if I've already have USD in my USD cash account, so I just... Yeah, so I just need to top up, select USD auto-sweep, right? Just select the USD cash account. Yeah. Okay. So let me try as with the minimum, $10. Yeah. So done. Okay, pretty straightforward. $10 is already in my auto-sweep. Nice. Yeah, so when I click view my cash solutions, yeah, that is 30.79, which is already instantly power up on the, on the available balance. Okay, so it's actually very seamless, very easy.
Yes.
And it's like you mentioned, right? It's instantly available on that.
Yes.
But at the same time, right, I would like to also ask, like, what's the name behind it, right? It says Auto-Sweep. So it's not like cash management fund, or it doesn't say cash solution fund or something like that. It says Auto-Sweep.
Yes.
So why is it called that, like in a different name, Auto-Sweep? What does that mean actually?
Okay, so as you can see from the name itself, it's called auto-sweep. There's a sweep, right?
Like sweeping.
Yeah,
Okay.
sweeping function.
Correct.
So why we name it is because we actually do have a function from this auto-sweep.
Okay.
Yes, which we will be helping clients to sweep their proceeds getting from USD cash dividend,
Okay.
bond coupon,
Okay.
and bond maturities.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sweeping all these proceeds that they receive in their USD cash account into our auto-sweep automatically.
Okay, so if I understand that correctly, right? So let's say, for example, that I'm now holding a USD bond, or I'm actually having USD stocks or ETFs, and when I get a dividend from it or coupon, or when the bond matures, currently it's like what happens is that I get all this into my cash account.
Correct, your USD cash
now
account.
I have the options to park it under the auto-sweep account.
Yes.
So do I need to do anything on it? Is it automatic, or since the name is automatic, or how do I do this?
It's automatic. Like, okay, for today, for example, today you receive a cash dividend.
Okay.
Yeah, cash dividend, let's say $5. Then you receive a coupon of, let's say, $100.
Okay.
So in total, you have $105.
Okay.
Yes. Then all these coupons and dividends that you receive will be in your USD cash account.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. We will be depositing back to your USD cash account. Okay. Then if you have opted into our USD auto-sweep, on the next day, we will help you to sweep your $105 into this auto-sweep. Just to help you earn a potentially higher yield than our USD cash account.
Right. So earlier, just now, right, I was actually looking at our landing page. So maybe you can actually show that on the web also, the landing page that we had. So I saw that there are two options there. One, it says that top up now and also opt in now. Like, so what's the difference there?
Okay.
So if I opt in now, does it mean that automatically all my money, for example, I have $1,000 in my current cash account. So if I click opt in, does it mean that the $1,000 from my cash account goes into that auto-sweep account directly?
No. So the opt in and out is solely a function for you to enjoy the auto-sweeping function, the features.
Okay, so the opt in, it's to activate the auto-sweep function.
Yes, correct. Yes. So then top up means that you have to move your money manually from your cash account, either from your USD cash account or your MYR cash account into this auto-sweep.
Okay, so if I, again, to understand that right, so if I have already $1,000 in my cash account, and if I clicked on opt-in, nothing happens actually.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so now in order for me to move this $1,000 from my cash account into the auto-sweep, I need to actually do the top-up method.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but when I opted in, means in my future, when I get my dividends and my coupons, those money will be automatically swept into the auto-sweep account.
Yes, correct.
That's right? Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so that's that's actually kind of like seamless way for me to like automatically have my savings in a higher yield account.
Correct.
Like compared to the earlier cash account of 1.25%. Okay. And how do I then do the withdrawals? Because you mentioned that also withdrawals are easier.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so for now, so for withdrawal, I need to mention one thing. So we just now do mention that we do offer same day withdrawal.
Yes.
So if let's say today I initiated the withdrawal on a business day, before 10 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
10 a.m. in the morning, I will get my withdrawal proceeds by 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay, so the cutoff time is 10 a.m. in the morning, and it's a business day.
Correct. Okay. So right now I will be demonstrating on the withdrawal flow. Okay, so which because now it's already at night, so it's already off business time and also the cutoff time.
Okay.
So the withdrawal will happen on tomorrow, but I can still show you how we initiate withdrawal. Okay. So same goes to the trade page right? Then just click on the withdrawal.
Okay.
Okay, select your cash solution, your USD Auto-Sweep. So you can choose, the only way to withdraw this USD Auto-Sweep is back to your USD cash account. Yes.
Okay, so it's not like withdraws to my bank account, my multi-currency account. That's
No.
I have.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's only back to your USD cash account. Okay, so you can choose to withdraw, or you can choose to withdraw in amount. So the minimum of the withdrawal is also $10.
Okay.
Yes. If let's say you have a lower amount than $10, we do support withdrawal as well.
Okay.
So you just need to click on withdrawal. Yeah, so that's
So
it.
it's either that I key in the amount that I want, and
Yes.
as long as that it's actually more than $10.
Yes.
But if the amount is less than $10, I just tap on the toggle that says withdraw all.
Yes,
and
correct.
click on proceed.
Yes.
Okay.
So I will be demonstrating on withdrawing $10. So after that, after keying the withdrawal amount, just need to click proceed. Then goes to verify my 2FA. Okay. Then done. Yeah. So the order is ready received. So the money will be reflected in your USD cash account by tomorrow. Yes,
Okay.
tomorrow 1 p.m.
I understand. So if okay, because now it's in the evening, like let's say I do it on the morning and it's before 10 a.m.
Yes.
And if I just follow the similar steps, everything's done, proceed done, and
Then you will
be-
receive your money at 1 p.m. on the same day.
at 1 p.m. on the same day in my USD cash account.
Correct.
And from there, I can actually proceed to withdraw to my USD bank account as
Yes.
per normal process.
Correct. Or
Okay.
we actually do also have a features that is already in place for very long,
Okay.
which you can do after you gotten your USD proceeds in your USD cash account.
Okay.
Then you might be wondering, can I convert this amount directly into the currencies that I want? Yeah?
Okay. Because
So,
that's actually what I was
yes.
wondering, another thing, right? So it's USD. So the only option for me I have now is to withdraw to USD.
Yes, correct.
Right. Okay.
So we actually do have a function in place, which is called the FX conversion, as you can see from the screen on the right, very right first icon, FX conversion.
Sorry, Alicia. How do I get that again?
Go to the cash solution page,
Cash
which
solution.
is
Okay.
which is on same goes to your holdings, or there's also another access point actually from your menu. Just click on the cash solution. Yes.
That's okay. Straightforward.
Yeah.
Okay.
Straightforward. Okay. Then you will see on the very right side on the
right,
first
yes.
icon.
I saw that, FX
Yeah, you will
conversion.
see that FX conversion, right? Icon. Yes. So on this icon, you can select from your available balance from any of your cash account. Yeah. So for example, if let's say I'm looking to convert my USD,
Okay.
right? USD.
I'm following you. Okay.
Yes, exchange. You can exchange
Right.
the amount that you want,
Okay.
and then to the currencies that you want.
So again, I can see the live rates here.
Yes,
Okay.
you can see the live rates. So you can click on the very blue lines here at the very bottom, view foreign currency exchange rate. Yeah, which you will be seeing all of the rates that is available on our platform.
Okay.
Which this rate is actually the spot rate. Yeah, and it will be refreshed on a 60 seconds interval. Yes.
So this is on every 60 seconds. It's
yes,
a refresh rate. Okay.
correct.
Done.
Yeah. So there's no any hidden fees from this FX conversion.
Which I was just about to ask you, right?
Yes, there's no hidden fees.
So for the top up, for the withdrawal, there are no fees.
No fees.
It's just like
yes.
moving from one account to another account.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, right. So even though for the FX conversion rate that we are showing right now, there's no hidden fees here.
Right.
So the rates that you see, although it's indicative because it fluctuates very fast, it's a spot rate, right?
Okay.
But then the rates that you see is actually the rates that you get. We don't
Okay.
charge any hidden fees from the FX conversion.
Okay.
Yes.
And place order and done.
Yeah. Done.
Okay. And what earlier, right, when you actually put in a comparison between the USD Auto-Sweep account and also the RHP Cash Management Fund that currently we have,
Correct.
right? So what I enjoy about the Cash Management Fund, RHP, it's that I can actually use like what I'm doing now. I'm using that as a parking facility, whereby I park my cash there before I use that to purchase unit trust on the platform. And why I like that is also because there's no lag time. So while I actually enjoy the interest, the yield that I'm getting from the cash management fund, at the same time, I can immediately use that as a payment method to purchase unit trust on the platform.
Correct.
So, and if I understand correctly, the auto-sweep account is also similar structure as such.
Yes.
Does it also have any like payment method like the
Yes,
Sarah?
definitely. So this is the strong point that we have, and this is why we introduced this product.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is also the one of the selling point and also the differences that compare with our peer.
Okay. So now now I get it. So it's actually
Yes.
why it's called solutions and
Yes.
it's not a savings.
Correct.
Right. So the idea here is that not to use this only as a savings platform, but it's more of a solution for you to
Also as a payment method.
as a payment method.
For your next investment.
Nice.
Yeah. So
And what can I use this to pay?
Okay, so let me show you what you can use it to pay. So, yep.
Sure.
So as you can see from the screen, okay, so what investment products that I can choose to pay with the USD Auto-Sweep? So you can use to pay into unit trust. You can use your USD Auto-Sweep to invest in the unit trust, stocks and ETF, our Bond Express, the OTC bonds that we offered on our platform, and the managed portfolio. Yeah, so all this is not just in USD.
Okay.
Yes. So as you can see on the second column, right, you can buy using USD Auto-Sweep, and on the third column, you will be seeing that the supported product currencies.
Okay.
Okay. So meaning that you can use this USD Auto-Sweep to cross currency, buy into not just USD fund, but also in MYR fund, SGD fund, AUD fund. You know, we provide the conveniences.
So
yes.
It's like a wallet that I have. It's like a multi-currency wallet that I have that I can actually use it to do purchase of any of these products. So let's say, for example, now let's take unit trust, right? And my unit trust is actually in Hong Kong dollar, or maybe it's in AUD. So I can actually use this to pay for AUD class unit trust.
Correct.
And what about the rate then?
The conversion, we will help you to do on the conversion. There's no worries on the conversion part.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
And is it also the other way around, when actually, for example, that if I've done the payment and then I've gotten, then it's actually converting again back to the earlier example, right, from USD to AUD. So now I have holdings in AUD.
Yes.
And if I redeem that, do I have the option to redeem it back to USD
Auto-Sweep.
Auto-Sweep account?
Okay, so for right now, for the redemption, we only support redeeming your USD denominated products back to our USD Auto-Sweep. Yes,
Okay.
correct. But then when you are buying into products, when you are using this as a payment to the products that listed in the list here,
Okay.
yeah, the one with the tick, yes, you can use it to buy with cross-currency.
Cross-currency. So except for the Bond
except
Express.
for the Bond Express, which you're only supporting for the USD denominated Bond Express right now. Yes.
Okay.
And then for the ETF regular saving plans, I think there's a lot of questions coming in for the ETF RSP, right?
Yes.
So yes, right now we do. So right now we actually haven't opened up to support for the ETF RSP payment, but then this is already in our pipeline.
Okay.
Yes, it's already in our pipeline, and we are enhancing on this payment method for our ETF RSP. So stay tuned on this.
Okay.
Yeah, so after we done our development and everything, so we will be announcing to our clients either from the platform or from a write-up, article, and push notification.
Okay. So for everyone, if you're not aware, this also to introduce, you can actually buy USD, ETF that's listed in the US and Hong Kong from as low as Ringgit Malaysia 100, from 100 Ringgit, whereby with the RSP method. So you don't have to actually start to buy the entire unit. You can actually get fractional units, for example, that if you're interested to invest in the market itself by getting the VOO ETF, for example, instead of buying a unit of VOO, you can actually buy a fractional of VOO by using the ETF RSP method, where you can actually start with 100 ringgit and you can actually set it up, automate it, and you just set it up once and let it run, and the entire thing is automated. You can do it. There are 4 frequencies that you can choose from. So it depends on the frequency that you choose. Like for me personally, what I do is that I have set it up to be RSP every month, once per month. So now, just now Alicia mentioned is that, and also a lot of audiences have asked this question, is that currently it's that the money comes from my cash account, ringgit cash account. So, and this, it's actually deducted, and the ringgit is converted to purchase my USD ETF.
Yes, correct.
So when you mentioned that the RSP function is coming in the auto-sweep, so in the same scenario, how does it work?
This one I cannot disclose yet, but of course we will be making our ETF to be invested using USD so that we don't have that conversion in between.
Correct. So that was my actually intention of the question, is that so there won't be any conversions.
Yes.
And also what I like about the current feature is that it's like fully automated. So it's like it's passive investing. Once I set it up, I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to look at the markets, and especially like the markets has been going down the past 1 week, and when you RSP down the market, you actually get a better price. So because the idea is that for a long-term investment, right?
Yes.
So does all this, my objective is supported? Okay. Nice. So stay tuned for this upcoming new feature, where there will be an RSP function also that you can use it. And so also to recap, I think earlier you showed that the USD Auto-Sweep has 3 functions. One is that just as a parking facility from my cash account, currently USD, I can just park it in my USD Auto-Sweep and earn the potentially higher yield.
Correct.
Secondly, it's that I have the Auto-Sweep function, whereby once I opt in, and the Auto-Sweep is that all my dividends, all my from my stocks and ETFs, all my coupons from my USD, it's only USD, right?
Yes, only USD.
Only USD.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
And also bonds, maturities.
Yes.
Instead of now going into the cash account, it goes into the Auto-Sweep account.
Okay, then I need to top out a little bit on this.
Okay.
So,
Right.
So the dividends, the bond coupons, and also the bond maturity that you are receiving will still be deposited back to your cash account first.
Okay.
Okay, it will still go back to your cash account first. And then on the next day, we will initiate the sweep from your USD cash account to the USD Auto-Sweep.
Okay.
Yeah, for all the proceeds that you received.
So this is the meaning of the sweeping function, right?
Correct.
And this is where I need to opt in to enable the sweeping function.
Okay, so there's a lot of maybe audiences today will be confused. Will be confusing on
the
opt-in
like
and also the top up, like
yes.
very very confusing and mafana. Why I need to opt in first, and then after that I need to top up this and that.
Yeah.
So we actually smoothen the flow, which if let's say client, of course, you can choose to manually opt in, which I will be showing on how you can manually opt in.
That's on your...
Yeah. So, yep, the screen is out. So, can show you. You can either opt in via personal information here. There's a selection for you to select opt in and out Auto-Sweep.
Okay. I'm actually a bit slow on my apps. So could you show me that again?
Let me show you again.
Yeah. So where do I go?
One.
How do I get to the homepage? I press on Discover, right?
Discover, yes, correct. You press on Discovered, you go back to the homepage. One way is pressed on the menu.
Menu, okay.
Yes,
got it.
menu under account setting.
Account settings,
Yes.
which is...
The account setting, which is then under personal information.
Okay.
Then you will see a selection of opt-in, out, Auto-Sweep.
Yes. Way down. All the way down, okay.
All the way down. So you can see here.
There's a tick.
Yeah, that's a tick. So you can select to, if you only want to enjoy the opt-in function, you can opt in via this method. Yeah.
And also you reminded me earlier is that when I click the opt-in, right, it doesn't mean that the USD that I have in my cash account now automatically goes in, right?
No.
So for that is the top up.
Yes.
Okay.
So yes, opt-in function is solely to activate the sweeping function.
Okay.
Yeah, to sweep your cash dividends, yeah, maturities, and also the bond coupons into the auto-sweep. Yes. So this is one way of opting in. Then if, let's say, you find it very troublesome to opt in manually, yeah. So what we did was, you just need to top up into USD Auto-Sweep.
I top up directly.
Top up directly into USD
Okay,
Auto-Sweep. Then
right.
we will already help you to automatically opt in.
Yes. So the action of me topping up, that's what like we did earlier in the first step, right?
Yes, correct.
That already means that I'm opting into the opt-in function also. So it's like a 2-in-1.
Correct.
Okay.
Let me show you. So right now, I choose to opt out.
Okay.
All right. So I opt out. So yeah, done. So the opt-in, opt-out is also instant. So after you opt out, then the only difference is that after you opt out, you won't be enjoying the sweeping function anymore.
And also, it doesn't mean that my money in the auto sweep gets transferred to my
No,
Okay.
no. You still need to initiate the withdrawal.
Withdrawal. So
Yes.
the withdrawal, it's different from opting out. So the opt-in, opt-out, it's more of the dividends and sweeping function.
Correct. So as you can see here now, I've already opted out. So under this cash solution, right, my USD auto sweep is already opted out. As you can see here, opt in, right? So what I can do is that I just topped out. I can just top out into my USD auto sweep directly. Then you will be seeing it will automatically opt back in. Let me show you.
So this is the 2FA and
yes, this is the 2FA. Yeah, for security purpose. So after that, you view your cash solution, right? It's already opted in.
Okay.
Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, here also there's another function here actually, opt in and out on the icon here on the very top right on the second icon. Yeah, here. So as you can see here, done. The account is already opted in.
Right. So all done, all set. Okay. So if those clients and participants, if you have been following us together on your mobile app, also on your desktop, if you have managed to do this, you could see that it's actually very straightforward, very seamless, and it's very easy to actually just to opt in into this feature that we have. And so how do I actually check how much I'm earning, right? Like what's my P&L?
Yes, this is very
let's
important.
say like, I don't know, every morning I wake up, I want to see how much money is growing in my account.
Okay, so same thing.
Yeah.
Go to your cash solution. Okay, just click on the USD Auto Sweep card. Yeah, then this is your display. Okay, then we will be showing you the calculation, which is you can click on this total available balance showing here. Just click.
This is on that.
Yes.
Total available
then I'll be
balance.
showing you the total investment, the total withdrawals.
So that arrow there. So I click on that arrow.
Correct.
Okay, and then okay, I can see.
Yes. So now you will be seeing that on the right hand side there's a total P&L tab. So that's the total P&L figures that you will be seeing every day. So whenever that there is P&L coming in, that it will be added into this total P&L.
On the total P&L there.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is that, even though that earlier you mentioned that the yield that I see updated, the latest yield will be on every Tuesday.
Yes.
But
correct.
Actually in life, the NAV, that's the correct term, right? That's
the underlying NAV.
NAV,
yes.
it's actually moving every day.
Correct.
So, but the actual yield, it's only I can see it on every Tuesday.
Yes.
But that doesn't mean that my profits are actually not growing on a daily basis.
The profit will be changing on, as in like added in on a daily basis on the business day.
On a business day.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay.
So the interest, that there's no dividends or interest paying for this product. So as mentioned earlier, it's very, very pretty much similar
to the cash management
fund,
right?
cash management fund,
which is also very different from the current USD
cash account.
Cash account, because
Correct.
on the cash account, what I get is that every month I get the dividend, so the interest that's being paid out, so I can actually
Correct.
see that. And
Yes.
also all the transactions that I've been doing this, and it's similar prior to this, I can see this under the transaction records.
It's just as normal, normal from your trade in the middle of this trade. Okay, then click on the transaction record. Yeah,
Yeah, I can
That's
see
it.
that.
yeah. All your transaction record will be recorded here.
Okay, all right. So thank you on this. So let's actually, we have a lot of questions that's coming up from the
Yes.
audiences. But before that, maybe you can just show the benefits again, a wrap up of what's the product like.
Yeah, sure.
So number one is that you're saying
Instant available balance.
balance, right?
Yes.
We saw that.
So long you
okay?
top
We
up
saw
from
that.
your cash account. Yeah, the available balance in your auto-sweep is always instant,
Okay.
regardless of business day, public holidays. Yes,
Okay.
it's always instant.
Instant. So that is the by funding by topping up into the account.
Correct.
Right. And
It
then
also means that the available balance is instant. You can also use this available balance for investments.
investments.
Correct.
And so that's what you mean by actually the using that to actually buying other products that we have on the platform.
Correct.
Immediately. Okay. And the next is that the sweeping functions, where I get all my dividends actually automatically swept into that. And lastly is
The same day withdrawal.
same day withdrawal.
On a business day.
Okay.
Yes. So you withdraw before 10 a.m. on a business day. Then you will get your money back in your USD cash account by 1 p.m.
By on 10 a.m. I withdraw it and then I get it back at
1
1
p.m.
Okay.
Yes. Then you can straight away do the FX conversions that I go through just now. Yeah, straight away, if you want to withdraw it into your MYR bank account, the local bank account, yeah, just do an instant FX conversion.
Okay.
Because the FX conversion is actually instant.
Instant,
Just,
yeah, we saw that earlier.
convert the USD cash account back into the MYR.
Okay.
And then just withdraw the MYR.
Right. Okay. So let's get some questions from the audiences.
Yep. So can see questions coming in.
Just right. Just give us a while.
Okay, we see questions asking, is there any lock-in period?
Yep.
No, there's no lock-in period. You can always top up or withdraw anytime you want. Yes. And is the FX rate for conversion from MRR
Ringgit
cash
to
account
USD
to USD competitive? Yes, it's competitive.
Yes. And also you can actually, before you decide to opt in or top up into the auto-sweep account, you can actually see the rates itself.
Correct.
And also actually decide to click if not this is
Correct.
competitive or not. Yeah.
Okay, there's another question saying that does the P&L calculate on everyday basis? So if I top up today, will I make profit by tomorrow
and withdraw it
immediately? Okay, so this one, right? P&L is calculated on every day, on a daily basis, on a business day, correct? So if you top up today, will I make profit? Of course, you need to stay at least a day in order for you to earn some profits. Yes.
And also withdrawing it immediately. It's that, the withdrawal is actually instant, but you have the cutoff time that you need to
Correct.
adhere to. Yes.
Yeah, so withdrawal is instant, but then needs to bear in mind that it has to be done on a business day before 10 a.m. Then you will get your money back in your USD cash account at 1 p.m. on the same day. Yes. There's a few questions coming asking, is the auto-sweep supported for RSP?
RSP, yes.
That will be in our pipeline. So right now, we are not supporting for that function yet. Yeah.
So what is the short duration bond, which is the underlying asset that the fund is invested in? What is the short duration bond that this fund is invested in? Yeah.
So this one mostly is into the treasury bills.
The
The very liquid, low risk, short duration bonds, which is the T-bill, and also some FD in the USD.
In USD deposits,
Yes.
right?
USD
so
deposits.
actually, and we can actually see that on the fact sheet of the funds. Just now that Alicia, you showed us that the auto-sweep account consists of 90% in the IFAS enhanced liquidity US fund, USD fund, and also 10% in the
cash account.
USD cash account.
Yes, correct.
USD cash account, and the fund is actually invest in short-term duration bonds in US Treasury bills, 3 months to 6 months, and also in deposits.
Yep.
Right. Conversion rate, any fees or hidden fees for the conversion? Okay.
Okay, mentioned just now, there's no hidden fees for conversion. Yeah, there's no hidden rates. Yeah, the rates is auto-indicative because the rates fluctuates. It's a spot rates that fluctuates a lot. Yeah, but then the rates that you see is actually the rates that you get, which is there's no hidden fees in that rate. Yep. Can we withdraw USD directly into the USD bank account? Yes, definitely. You can do so, but then you need to withdraw your USD auto-sweep into a USD cash account first. And then from your USD cash account, you can directly withdraw back to your USD bank account. No problem. Yes.
Okay. Any more questions down? We can see. Yeah. So that's all for now. We kind of, because some questions are almost as similar, and we touched on it. And if you want to get more information on the product itself, you can actually go to the landing page of the product, where you can see all the full details. On the landing page also, you can actually see the fun fact sheets of the auto-sweep account and the breakdown of the details. And if some questions that you did not cross your mind currently and you would have thought about it, and we have not covered it now, you can actually go to the FAQ page, where we have actually listed down some of the commonly asked questions that you can actually refer to the FAQ to see whether the answers are already there.
So we will be showing you the website, the general inquiries email address, and also the phone number, which if you have any questions for us, you can always reach out to us, contact us via email or phone calls on a business day. Yeah, we actually also do have live chat support on business hours, which is on our website. Yeah, you can access the live chat on our website or even on our app. Yeah, there's a live chat icon on the very top bottom right. So you can just click on it on working hours from 8:30 to 5:30. Maybe we will have a live agent that's supporting for your questions.
Okay, so if I'll just wait for a few seconds to see if there are any other last minute questions that's coming in. Okay, just a moment. Okay, there's a question here that asks that can I convert my AUD to auto-sweep?
Okay, if you are looking to convert your AUD to auto-sweep, yes, you can do so. So you just need to go to the FX conversion module that I mentioned just now. You just need to convert your AUD into USD first, and then top up with the USD cash account into the USD auto-sweep.
Okay.
Yes.
And lastly, we have a question. It's that what happens to my dividend if it's paid in SGD? Means that a dividend that it's not paid in any other currency besides USD.
It won't be swept. Yeah, unfortunately,
so
it won't be swept.
it's only for
USD. Yes.
So then my options is that if I want to enjoy this, then I get my dividends in my SGD currency. Then I can convert my SGD to USD.
Correct.
From there, I can actually top up into my auto-sweep account. That's the way to do it.
Yes.
Okay.
So the auto-sweeping function is only it is just a function to facilitates clients for their proceeds that earning from dividends, coupons, or maturities automatically swept into the auto-sweep to earn a potentially higher yield.
Okay.
Right. So if let's say there's any idle cash in the FSM account, or maybe on the bank account in USD that you are looking to park, you can always choose to top up.
Okay, park. So that's actually an important point that I actually brought up. So based on that point, right, I'd just like to also highlight to the audiences and also the clients that on FSMOne, it's that the function, this is actually the product. It's actually not a savings kind of product by itself. right? So if if a client's intention is just to actually to get on the yield and just to actually save based on the yield by converting ringgit to get the yield, that you need to be aware that there will be a risk here. So what is the risk? Is that the forex risk, right? In the scenario, right? Because we don't know what's going to happen, but let's say in a scenario that the US, because this is in USD, right?
Correct.
Where if USD actually the rates actually decreases, then immediately even when you do the conversion, you're actually losing on the FX rate. But if the rates actually decreases, then indirectly your yield also it's decreasing. But on the other side is that if ringgit weakens and dollars strengthens some more, then you can actually enjoy that gain in that FX, right? But then again, right? So the focus here is not on that. So the focus here, it's again more like the RHB Cash Management Fund, whereby let's say now I see the markets, I'm actually investing in USD products, but while waiting for the opportunity to invest, my cash, my idle cash that is staying there in my cash account, which is earning 1.25%. So instead of that, I can actually put it in the auto sweep.
Correct.
Because now there's no lag time. I can actually enjoy while waiting a higher yield. And when I see the opportunity, I could immediately take action by going into the markets and by purchasing the products that gives me the capital gain compared to the yield itself that is getting from the account. So
Correct.
that should be the investment objective, the way that you build a thesis strategy or to use this account, but not look it as a place for savings, because there is a risk. If you want to do it, that's okay, but you need to also bear in mind the risk of forex here.
But then, of course, if let's say your money itself is already holding in USD,
Yeah.
of course, it's worth investing in it because it's a very low risk product.
Yes.
Yeah, but then also here to bear in mind that although this is a very, very, very low risk product, which is only mostly investing into a money market instruments like FD in USD. And also like cash in USD, and also some short duration bonds into like T-bills and things. But also because it's an investment always come with a risk.
And when you mention about money, right? And this is it's not. Is it protected PIDM?
No. Yes, it's not PIDM protected.
Correct.
Okay, but then
because
of course,
the structure of the product is right. It's actually not a deposit. It's actually invested into a money market fund.
Correct.
It's a different structure. It's a different product by itself. So it's not.
But then also, we also do manage it properly. So by investing, because we know that this product is very liquid, and also it should be in a very, very low risk because we package it as a cash solution, right? So we also do our part to make sure that it invests in the very safe instruments, very safe and low risk instruments like cash, FD in US.
Short-term US treasuries, deposits in US.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I saw there's another questions coming in. Let's say we top up the 100 ringgit and the MRR will be based on the current currency rate converted to USD. Yes, it's based on the spot rate. Correct.
Yes, you can actually see that. So earlier, like when Alicia showed is that you can actually see the rates, like before you make the decision to top up the account, you can actually view the rates that's applied.
Correct.
And that refreshes every 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Yes.
Right.
So it's very transparent. The rate that you see is the rate that you get, although it will, as mentioned just now, will fluctuate a little bit because it's a spot rate. Yes.
Okay. So with that, I believe we have answered most of the questions here and also the questions on Zoom. But if you have further questions, feel free to actually drop an email to investhelp.my@ifasfinancial.com. Wait, let me get that right. So I don't want to share the wrong email, and email goes to the wrong place,
so
right?
you just, for general inquiries, you can reach out to our client help. So clienthelp.my and @fundsupermart.com. Or if you have any market questions relating to the underlying products or any risk related or any things that you want to know further about this product, you can always reach out to our investhelp.my @fundsupermart.com. Yeah. In another way, if you prefer to call in for inquiry, you can reach us via phone call, at the phone numbers that we provided on our platform. Yes. So the KL line will be 0321490567. Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us on our FSMOne webinars for today. And we hope to see you again in our future events and future sessions. So thank you, everyone. Have a good evening.
Thank you, everyone.